Hello, good morning students. So how are you all beta? I hope all of you are good and safe at home. So from today we will start our one more subject. This is reasoning. Okay. So from today beta first we will start our reasoning. In this reasoning first we will start our topic number series. Okay. So first topic it is given number series. So in the number series first two types of series are there. First one is number series and second one is alphabet series. Okay, first series it is number series and second one is alphabet series. So first we will do it the number series. Okay, first we will do number series. So what is number series? For example, some numbers are given and in these numbers some patterns are given. You have to recognize the pattern. You have to find out what will be the next number, like that. For examples, some examples I have written on the board. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here slash is given dot and 7 and 8. So what will come at the place of this? Okay, what will come at the place of this? So you can recognize the pattern beta. 1 after 1 next number will be 2, after that 3, after that 4, after that 5. So what will be the next number? So simple, you can say it will be 6. Clear? So like that some number series are given. You have to recognize what will be the next number, what will be the middle at the place of question mark. At one place question marks will be there. So you have to recognize what number will come at this place. Okay, so simply second example you can see 2, 4, 6, 8. So what will be the next number? So simply you can say 2 multiply 2 you are getting 4, 2 multiply 3, 2 multiply 3 you are getting 6, 2 multiply 4 you are getting 8. So 2 multiply 5, what will you get here? So simply you can say it will be 10. Okay, it is the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Clear? After that, for example, next one it is given 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So here you can see 1 plus 2. You are getting 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. And 9 plus 2, what will you get? 11. So what will be the next number? So it will be 11. Next you can see 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So what will be the what will come at the next number? So simply you can see 1. After that 4, after that 9, after that 16, after that 25 is given. So simply you can see 1. 1 is the square of 1. So 1 square will be equal to 1. After that 2 square, what will you get? 4. 3 square, what will you get? 9. 4 square, it means 4 multiply 4, so you will get 16. 5 square, 5 multiply 5, you will get 25. So what will be the next number? 6 square. So 6 square means 6 multiply 6, so you will get the number 36. So what will come the next number? So it will be 36. So in the number series like that some numbers are given. You have to recognize what will come at the next number and what will be the come at the place of question marks. So some series pattern are given. You have to recognize this pattern. So beta what you have to do in the reasoning. So first exercise examples I have sent you on the group. So I think you have checked what are the questions in the first exercise. So simple series number series is given. So you have to start from the number series. So you have to start from examples. You have to complete all the examples. After that you will start the exercise. So before starting the exercise, in this exercise first some examples are given. So first I will start this from the examples. Okay. So what are the examples? For example, I am first explaining 3-4 examples. After that we will start our exercise. So it is given beta 1, 6, 15. One example is given before the exercise. 1, 6, 15. After that one question mark. And next number 45, 66, 91. Okay. 45, 66 and 91. Okay, so you have to find out what will come at the place of question mark. This number series is given. You have to recognize, you have to find out which pattern you will follow here and what will come at the place of question marks. So simply you can see here beta. Okay, what are you getting? 1, 6, 15 like that. Okay, so you have to see 1. If you are adding here in both the numbers, what is the difference? So 1 plus 5 you are getting 6. After that 6 plus 9 you are getting 15. Okay, after that for example here 5. After 5 you are getting 9. So 9, after 9 what will be the next number? So 15 plus 5 and 9, what is the difference? 4 numbers. So after that, after 9 what will be the next number? So it will be 13, because 9 plus 4 you will get 13. So 15 plus 13 what will you get? 20. 8. Okay, so 15 plus 13, you will get here 28. Now we will check this is correct or wrong. After 28, what is next number? 45. So 28, you will add 13 plus 4. So 13 plus 4 means 17, and you will add, so 8 plus 7, 5, and 2 plus 1, 3, and 1, 4, 45. It means correct. After that, next number, it is given 66. So simply you can say 45 plus, what will you get? 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 4. So it will be 21. So 45 plus 21, you will get 66. This number is correct. After that, 66 plus 21 plus 4. So you will get 25, and you will get here 91. Okay. So what will come at the place of question mark? So simply you can say it will be 28. Is it clear? So which pattern you are following here, beta? So simply you can see what is the difference in both the numbers. So plus, here you can see 1 plus 5. Okay, plus 5. 6 plus 9. Okay, 9 plus 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, you will get add 13. After that plus 17. After that plus 21. And after that plus 25. Is it clear? So you are following this pattern. Okay, it means what are the numbers you are getting here? 5, 9, 13, 17, 21 and 25. So what is the difference of all the number? Plus 4. Okay. After 5, what will be the next number? It will be 4, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 4, 21 and 21 plus 4. You will get 25. Okay. So simply you have to recognize the pattern. What are you adding in all the numbers? So if you are adding here 5 and next number you are adding 4, 9. It means 5 and 9. What is the difference? 4 number difference. So what will be the next number? 9 plus 4. It will be 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 4, 21 and 21 plus 4, 25. So what will be the number? So it will be 28. Is it clear? So like that you have to follow the pattern. Okay. For example, next question, it is given 2, 5, 9, 19, 37. Next example, 2, 5, 9, 19, 2, 5, 9, 19, 37, 37, and next one is question mark. Clear? So you have to find this number. Clear? Where question mark is given, so you have to find out this question mark. At the place of question mark, what will be the next number? So simply here you can see it is 2 and 5. So what are you getting? Here you are adding plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. After that 5 plus 4, you are getting 9. Okay. After that you can see, okay, 5 plus 4, 9. 9. After 9 plus 10, you are getting 19. And 19 and 37, what is the difference? So here you can see 8 and 18. Okay. So here you can see any pattern is there. Here you are adding plus 3, plus 4, plus 10, plus 8. Any pattern is there here? No. Here you are adding 3, after that 4, after that 10, after that 18. Here the difference is 1, here 6, here 8. Okay. So here no pattern you are following. It means you have to try something else. Okay. So what can you do, beta? For example, 5 you are getting. So if you will multiply 2 by 2 and you will add 1. So what will you get? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1. You will get 5. Clear? After that, after 5 you have to get 9. Okay. So how will you get 9? 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 you will get 11. But you have to get 9. Okay. So what will you do? You have to subtract 1. So simply you can say next number is 5. So 5 multiplied 2 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 you will get 9. Clear? After that, after 9, what will be the number? 19. So 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1, you will get 19. So simply 9 multiplied 2 plus 1. So you will get 18 plus 1, 19. Clear? Okay. After that 19, after 19, what is the next number? 37. So 19 multiplied 2, 38. 38 plus 1 if you will do, so it will be 39. But you are following the pattern. First you are adding 1, after that you are subtracting 1. Adding, so subtracting, so minus 1. So 19 2s are 38 minus 1, so you will get 37. So is it correct? Yes. After 37, what will be the next number? So 37, same you will multiply by 2 because all the numbers you are multiplying by 2. After that, first number you are adding, after that next number you are subtracting 1, adding, subtracting 1. Okay, like that. So here what will you do? Subtract or add? After subtraction, you will add. So plus 1. Clear? So 37 multiplied 2. What will you get? 2 7 ja 14. And 2 3 ja 6 and 1 7. Clear? So 2 7 ja 14. 1 2 3 ja 6 and 1 7. And plus 1. So what will you get here? 75. So what will come at the place of question mark? So simply you can say it will be 75. Next number will be 75. Is it clear? What will be the next number? So it will be 75. Clear, beta? Next example. Next example. 0, 6, 24, 60, 120. 0, 6, 24. 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 210. 60, 120, 210, and what will be the next number? Clear? So here you can recognize any pattern. Any pattern is there. First you are getting beta 0. So how will you get 0? For example, if you are doing 1 cube, okay, 1 cube means 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. You will multiply 1 by 3 times. And if you are subtracting 1, so 1 cube minus 1. So 1 minus 1, you will get 0. Clear? After that 6. So 6 means if you are 2 to the 4 plus 1 you are doing. So it will be 5, not 6. Okay. So what you have to do? 2, 3, 2 cube. Okay. So what will you do? 2 cube. So what 2 cube? 2 raised to power 3, or you can say 2 raised to power 3 or 2 cube. So it will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Okay. When you are writing 2 raised to power 3, it means you are multiplying 2 by how many times? 3 times. And minus 1. Same pattern you will follow. So 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3, it means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So you will get the number 8. So 8 minus 1. What will you get? 7. So here what you have to subtract at the place of 1. So you can say 2. So 8 minus 2, you will get the number 6. Clear? After that we will check the next number. Can we follow this pattern? After that it will be 3 cube. Here 1 cube. Next is 2 cube. So what will be the next number? 3 cube. Here 1, 2. So what will be the next number? 3. Okay. So 3 cube means beta 3 cube. It means you will multiply 3 by 3 times. So 3 into 3 into 3. So you will get the number 27. So 27 minus 3, you will get the number 24. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. So we can follow this pattern. After that we will check next number. So it will be 1, 2, 3. Next number will be 4. 1, 2, 3. So you will subtract 4. So 4 cube. 4 cube means 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. So it will be 64. Clear? So 64 minus 4. So you will get the answer 60. Clear? So like that you have to follow the pattern. After 4, what will be the next number? 5 cube. So 5 whole cube minus 5. Okay. 5 whole cube minus 5. So 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. 125 minus 5. So you will get the number 120. After that 6 cube minus 6. So 6 cube means 6 multiply 6 multiply 6. So you will get 216 minus 6. So it will be 210. Clear? After that what will be the next number? 7 cube minus 7. Next number will be 7 cube minus 7. Okay. So what will be the 7 cube? So 7 cube you can say 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. Okay. And when you will multiply 7 3 times, so you will get the number 49 multiply 7. 7 9 63. 343. Okay. So it will be 343 minus 7. Clear? 7 cube. Next pattern, because you are following 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. So next will be 7 cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be next? 7. So 7 cube will be 343 minus 7. So you will subtract. What will you get here? 6, 3 and 3. Okay, 336. So what will be the come at the place of question mark? So you can say it will be 336. Is it clear? 336. So simply like that you have to recognize the pattern. First 0, how will you get? 1 cube minus 1, 0, 6. 2 cube minus 2, you will get 6. 3 cube minus 3, you will get 24. 4 cube minus 4, 60. 5 cube minus 5, 120. 6 cube minus 6, 210. 7 cube minus 7, you will get 336. Clear? So like that you have to complete. Now one more example I am taking. After that we will start our exercise. Clear? Because examples, all the solutions are already given in your book. Okay, I have already sent the first exercise beta, so you can solve all the questions, all the examples. After that we will start our exercise. So next question, which fraction comes next in the sequence? Okay, which fraction come next in sequence? One sequence is given, okay, and some fractions are given. You have to find out the next sequence. So what is the sequence? 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 8. Next one, 7 by 16, 7 by 16. So what will be the next sequence? Clear? So here you have to find out what will be the next sequence. Before that, simple numbers are given. Okay, here only numbers are given. This is also the number series, but it is given in numerator upon denominator form, means fraction is given. So you will first recognize what will become at the place of numerator and what will become at the place of denominator. Simply, okay. So beta, here first you can see simply 1 plus 2 you are getting 3. 3 plus 2 you are getting 5. So 5 plus 2 you will get 7, and 7 plus 2. So what will you get in the numerator? So it will be 9. Clear? So numerator you have got. After that you will find out the denominator. So here you can see 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2, sorry. It is 2 raised to power 1. So 2, it is 2 raised to power 2. So you are getting 4. 2 raised to power 3, you will get 8. 2 raised to power 4. So you will get 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 raised to power 4 means beta you are multiplying 2 how many times? 4 times. Okay, so it will be 16. After that next what will be the next? 2 raised to power 5, and when you will multiply 2 5 times, so what will you get? 32. So at the place of denominator what will you get? 32. So what will be the next series, next sequence? So it will be 9 by 32. What will be the next fraction? So simply you can say it will be 9 by 32. So in the, if it is given in the form of fraction, so what will you do? First you will recognize what will come in the numerator. After that what will come at the place of denominator. So first you will follow, you will check numerator what sequence you are following. So simply you can say you are adding all the numbers with 2. Okay, so 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. Next number will be plus 7 plus 2, so it will be 9. After that if you are checking the denominator, so you can say simply 2 multiply 2 you are getting, multiply 2 you are getting 4, 4 multiply 2 you are getting 8, 8 multiply 2 you are getting 16. So 16 multiply 2, what will be the next number? So it will be 32. Okay, so it means you can say in numerator what are you doing? In numerator you are adding plus 2, and in denominator what are you doing? In denominator what are you doing? You are multiplying by 2. Okay, each number you are multiplying by 2, and in numerator you are adding 2. Clear? Each number with 2. So like that you have to complete your examples. So beta, all the examples solutions are already given. I have already sent with the exercise with examples. So example solution is already given. So now we will so you have to solve first all the examples, then only you will recognize the pattern, which pattern you can follow in the series. Okay, any pattern can be there, you have to follow, you have to recognize better. Okay, so simply like that you have some questions are given in the exercise also. So now we will start our exercise. Clear? Exercise 1. Exercise 1. Okay, so here first question what is given? Exercise first question. 120, 99. It is given 120, 99, 80, 63, 48, and what will be the next number? Options are given 35, B 38, C 39, and D 40. Clear? So you have to find out what will be the next number. Okay, first number it is given 120, 99, 80, 63, 48. So what will be the next number? Clear? So simply first you can check what will be the answer in all the 4 options are given. You have to find out the answer. So simply beta 120, after that you are getting 99, 99 after that 80, 80 63. It means you are subtracting some number here. Okay, so you will check 120 and 99. What is the difference between 120 and 99? So here 10 minus 9 1 and 11 minus 9 you will get 21. After that you will check the difference of 99 and 80. So here you will get 9 and 19. Okay, after that you will check the difference of 80 and 63. So here you will get 17. Okay, what will you get? 17. So you can see, okay, now you can recognize the pattern. Okay, what are you getting? 21 minus 2 you are getting 19, 19 minus 2 you are getting 17. So 17 minus 2, what will you get the next number? It will be 15. And you can see 63 minus 48. So what will you get here? 15. Clear? So next, after that, after 15, what will be the next number? So simply you can say you are subtracting in all the numbers by 2. Okay, you are subtracting 2 from all the numbers. So simply you can say first, here the difference is 21. Okay, next difference is 19. Next one is 17. Okay, next one is 15. Okay, so 21 minus 2, 19, 19 minus 2, 17, 17 minus 2, 15. So 15 minus 2. So what will be the next? It will be 13. What will be the next number? So you can say it will be 13. So you will, what will you get? 48 and 13. What will you do? You will add. So what will be the next number? So simply you can say it will be 48 minus 13. So next number will be 5 and 4 minus 1, 3. So what will come at the place of question mark beta? So you can say 35. So you will subtract 13 from 48. So you will get the next number. It will be 35. So why you are subtracting 13? Because in the first number difference it is given 21. Second, both the numbers difference is 19. Next two number difference is 17. Next two numbers is 15. So what will be the next two number difference? So it will be 13. So it means 48 minus 13 you will get 35, and you can subtract both the numbers 48 and 35. So you will get the number 13. Clear? So you will follow this pattern 21, 19, 17, 15 and 13. It means you are subtracting from all the numbers you are subtracting 2. Okay? You are subtracting 2. So next number it will be 35. Is it clear beta? So simply first what will you check? Here in all the options which option is correct? So you can say it will be A part. Okay, A option is correct. 120, 99, 80, 63, 48. So what will be the next number? So simply what will you do? First you will check 120 and 99. What is the difference in both the numbers? So you can say it is 21. After that second and third number, what is the difference? 19. Third and fourth number 17. So you are getting here 21 के बाद आपको क्या मिल रहा है? 19. 19 के बाद क्या मिल रहा है? 17. इसका मतलब दो नंबर का डिफरेंस है सब में. तो नेक्स्ट में किसका होगा? 2 का होगा. तो कितने नंबर्स आएंगे? 15. So 63 minus 48, 15. 48 minus 35 you will get 13, and you can say 15 के बाद नेक्स्ट डिफरेंस 2 का क्या होगा? 13. So 48 में से 13 गए तो नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या हो जाएगा? 35. क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Clear? So question number 2 is given beta 4, 8, 3, 2, 5, 8, 4, 0, 6, 8, 4, 8. So what will be the next number? It will be 7, 8, 1, 5. B part 7, 8, 4, 6. 7, 8, 5, 6. And D1 is 7, 8, 8, 7. Clear? So here some numbers are given. Three numbers are given: 4832, 5840, 6848. After that next number. You have to find out the next number. So simply you can say this is 4832. It means in 4832 you will add some number. So you will get 5840. Here also you will add any numbers and you will get 68. So here also you will add some number. Okay. So simply first you will check what is the difference in first and second number. So 5840 minus 4832. So what will you get? 10 minus 2, 8, 3 minus 3, 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 5 minus 4, 1. 1008. You are getting what is the difference of both? So you can say 1008. Now you will check second and third number difference. So 6848 minus 5840. Okay, smaller number you will subtract from greater number, no beta. So that's why I am writing that this is greater number, so that I am writing first position and second one is 5840. Clear? Now you will subtract. So here what will you get? 8006 minus 5 1. So same number you are getting here also, 1008 1008. It means pattern you will follow of 1008. Okay, in all the numbers you will add 1008. Okay, it means 4832 plus 1008 you are getting 5840. 5840 plus 1008 you are getting 6848. So 6848 में जब आप बेटा 1008 if you will add, so what will you get? So simply you can say 6848 plus 1008. So you will get 8 plus 8 16, 5, 8 and 7. 7, next number will be 7856. Is it clear? Okay, because here in both the numbers, first and second difference is say 1008 and second and third number difference is also same. It means in all the numbers pattern will be only 1008. You will add 1008. So if you will add 4832 1008, you will get this number. If you will add here, so you will get this number. Again if you will add, so you will get the next number 7856. Now you can check what is the option is correct. So C option is correct. Clear all of you? So like that, first you have to check the difference of the first and second number. After that second and third number. Like that you have to find and recognize the pattern. So in number series beta, some numbers will be there. You have to find what will be the next number, what will be the middle number. So you have to follow which pattern we are following, what we are adding, what we are subtracting, what we are multiplying and dividing, and after that you have to find this number. Okay, so like that you have to complete your all the examples of first exercise and exercise 1. First and second question I have explained. You will try the next questions, and if you have any doubt, okay, so we will meet in our Zoom class. Okay, in for doubt session you will join Zoom class. Okay beta. So next question we will start in our next class. Okay, question number 3rd, and you have to try to solve the question number 3rd, 4th, 5th. Okay, in all the questions we are following the same pattern. Okay, you are subtracting, you will subtract first, second number difference, second and third, like that. Okay, thank you so much for joining the class.